Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve Windows 10 or Windows 11 update issues, which can be very annoying when you see that update hangs on 50% or 61%, 62%. So I will show you how to resolve this issue. There are some steps which you need to follow so that in the end you will resolve it. First of all, we will go to settings. So we'll go to update and security. Then we will go to troubleshoot. From troubleshoot, we will go to additional troubleshooters. Then we'll go to Windows update. Sometimes this option, guys, it will resolve the issue, but mostly it will not. That will go through the steps, through the procedures, one by one to resolve the problem. It will take time. Okay guys, so as you can see, check for Windows update issues detected, but it's not able to resolve it. And mostly guys like you, I don't want to reinstall the Windows, because thinking of reinstalling the Windows will give you creeps like, oh my god, you have to install the Windows, then the drivers, then 3D card drivers, then copy your all the data from your hard drive or external drive back to the laptop or desktop. So it's very time consuming, and then you have to update from the start. So now we will go to step number 2. So now guys, we are going to open the command prompt with the administrator rights. Run as administrator net stop wuauserv. The Windows update service is not started. Okay, good. Then net stop bits. Alright. Anyhow, when it started, it will show that it is stopped. And because I remember now, previously I stopped the service because some of the methods are not working. So I tried the different method and it worked, which I will show you in a couple of minutes. But you need to do this. You need to follow these steps. Okay. It will show here that the service is stopped. Then it will show here the bit service is stopped. Okay. Now what you need to do? You need to open your Windows Explorer. Go to C drive. And then Windows. Then go to software distribution folder. You can see here, this is the one, software distribution. Double click this and delete everything. What you find here is related to the previous download, which is hanged, or it's not proceeding after 50% or 61 or 62%. So you need to delete each and everything, guys. Delete. Continue. Continue again. Okay guys, you need to empty this folder. You need to, I think maybe you need to click the continue button like 4 or 5 times because it's a C drive. So what your Windows does, it's keep on giving you message. It may be a critical file. Think again, think again. So it is very safe to delete all the files in this folder. Then we will minimize and we start the service back again. Like this will go to strt start. It's starting. It started successfully. Up arrow, then start. Okay, great. Both the services are started. Now we will go back to settings and then you can check for updates. If there are updates, they will show in couple of minutes or couple of seconds. Okay, great. My laptop is up to date, so there is nothing to update. But guys, then again, it's related to your scenarios that update is not working. So it will start again. Your update will start again. And then if it's not going beyond 50% or 60% or whatever percent you're facing that it hangs and it's even 1 hour it's not going beyond that. So there's the very last option which I have tried and it's worked for me. I will show you. Okay, before going to the last step, what we need to do, we need to repeat the previous step in order to proceed with the last step. So what we are going to do, that you need to go back, stop the service first and the bit service. Then you need to go to the software distribution folder. Okay, as you can see, as I clicked on the update Windows update button, so it will populate the same folders again, as you can see on the screen. So now you have to empty all these folders again. Sorry, you need to delete all the folders again. This distribution folder should be empty. Then what you need to do, you need to open your browser and copy the link. I will provide the link in the description, and open the browser and paste the link. It's a Microsoft site. So what you need to do, you need to go down and you need to click on this link. When you click on this link, it will download this Windows utility. This utility will help you to download the latest updates and upgrade your Windows. Even though the Windows built-in update is not working, but whenever you want to update, you will double click on this utility and it will work. Thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. So mine is already updated and there is no update for me. But if there is an update, it will show you the update. These are the updates available. You click next, 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 and it will start downloading the updates and it will update your Windows. Okay guys, this is the short video. The problem which I have faced, and it's very hard to search on the internet. So I have found the solution and I thought to share with you guys. Maybe you're suffering from the same issue, same problem, and it's very important to keep your Windows update every time, because there are loopholes and so many exploits happening almost every day, so you need to be updated. So your laptop, your PC won't get hacked. Guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe the button below And take care and bye bye. See you in the next video.